Good morning, everyone. So this is the universal antenna from Ubiquiti. I'm going to open it and then assemble it. Is l'installation good? Screws. There's two of them. Those are the brackets. Here you go. This is the antenna. This is the base mounting. You have to install it first to the wall. Okay, and then you install the bracket like this. This is the pivot bolt. Install it like this. Don't mix it. This is how it look like this. Those are the adjusting bolt. There's one here. You install it from inside like this, and then you tighten it. Okay, as you can see, this is how you mount it. This is the universal bracket from Ubiquiti. And then, because I'm using a nano station, so this will go like this here. Gonna mount it here. So you must tighten it properly from here when you are ready to go. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe.